everyone, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're doing well. So let's take a look at the overview and directions for your active reading journals for night. You will have one for each chapter. The tasks may change just a little bit, but this is a really solid example of how to complete this task, all right? So there's a few steps we got to do. First one is our learning target. I can demonstrate my understanding of Elie Wiesel's Nobel Peace Prize speech and the process for completing the night reading journals through this mentor text. My success criteria is I have read and followed along with the reading journal to understand expectations and criteria for the night reading journals. All right, so our goal is to use this as our mentor text to understand what we need to do when we start reading the book. My directions are, as we read, please complete the following activities by providing responses and evidence as indicated for each section, okay? So brief overview, guys, we have a couple different sections. We're going to take care of some vocab, that's going to be while we read. Some literary devices, that's while we read. Some short responses while we read. And then finally a quick journal reflection after reading. The idea for this, guys, is it's active reading. So it's not just, oh, I'll do it later or maybe whatever. As you're reading, these tasks are very specific to each chapter and you need to go in and have these going while you're reading. You can listen to the audiobook, you can read on your own, like whatever makes most sense to you, but make sure you're doing these activities while you go. There are directions linked on each section for what to do specifically there, so hopefully that's helpful to you. But please know that there are 4 big things you're taking care of, and some of them are while reading, some of them are after reading. All will be for that chapter. For this one, we are using the Nobel Peace Prize, which is his acceptance speech, which is linked at the bottom of your night text. So if you're confused about what that is, you can find it at the bottom of your night book. All right, that's online. Cool. All right, guys, I hope this is helpful. Please let us know what questions you have.